Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the neighborhood places. So yesterday I told you the neighborhood place. What did we learn about which place? So we learned about the mall. We learned about the mall. So you have to tell me, you have to tell me the people and the things in the mall. Okay. So you take the book in your hand, take your general knowledge book. Okay, page number 28. Page number 28. So yesterday, the neighborhood place, which place we learned? We learned about the mall. So in the mall, there are some people, there are many shops and theaters, etc. Many things are there. So you have to tell me, name them, name the shops and the people in the mall. Okay, now see here, children. First, see here, what is this? See the picture. What is this? So this is the lift. So how will you tell this? Elevator. What is this? Elevator. What is this, children? Elevator. Okay. Now see here. See this shop. So what shop is here? Which shop, children? This is a garment shop. Garment shop. So you can buy the dresses, garments for the children's. Okay, for everything you can buy here. This is a garment shop. So we can buy the dresses. It's a garment shop. Next is the sports shop. We can buy the sports items here. Sports shop. All the items, all the shops are in one place. Okay. So what is this? Sports shop. Next, what do you see? This is a grocery shop. Okay. What do you see here? This is the grocery shop. Okay. Now next, what do you see? Next is the jewelry shop. Okay. So in a line, how many shops are there? Garment shop, sports shop, then next is grocery shop. Next is jewelry shop. So everything are in a row and in the same place. Okay. Now there is a lift, elevator. Okay. Now what is this? Tell me. So this area is used for the playing zone for children. Play zone. What is this? Play zone. What is this, children? Play zone. Now tell me, many books are here, no? So what is this shop? Bookshop. So what is this? Bookshop. Tell me, bookshop. Okay. Now see here. What is this? This is an escalator. Escalator. What is this? Escalator. Okay. Okay. Now see here. What is here? There is a theater. And what is this? This is a cinema hall. What is this, children? Cinema hall. Okay, what is this? This is the food zone. See, what is this? They are selling food items. People are selling food items here. This is a food zone. What is this? Food zone. And who are these people who are moving here and there, who are sitting? Who are these people? They are the customers. Who are they? Customers. Customers are sitting, they are moving here and there. Okay, this is the help desk. Help desk. And what is this? This is a lobby. Okay, children, now see here. See this mall. What is this? This is a mall and many shops are here in one place and we can buy all the items here itself. Okay, so now see here, tell me what is this? This is an elevator. What is this? Elevator. Garment shop. What is this? Sports shop. What is this? Grocery shop. What is this? Jewelry shop. And what is this? Bookshop. This is the play zone. And what is this, children? This is the escalator. What is this? Escalator. And what is this, children? This is a cinema hall. Cinema hall. This is the food zone. Food zone. And the customers. Next, help desk. and this is a lobby. Okay, children, so you should be thorough with this. Okay, already we have learned airport, railway station, post office, hospital. So with this, you have to include mall also. Mall. Okay. Now next is we have learned number names from 1 to 5. So till which number name you have learned, children? 1 to 5. Okay. Now see here. I'll write the number, and you have to write the number name for it. Okay. Now see here, children. What is this number? So you take your rough note. You take your rough note by your side and write this number in your rough note. Okay, children? And you have to write the number name for it. We have already learned this. So what is this number? This is number 4. What is this number? This is number 4. So I'll write the number. I'll give this number. You have to write the number name. So now start writing the number name for 4. Okay. F-O-U-R 4. So you should write, you should not see and write. You should write without seeing. So without seeing. So after writing only you should check your answer with your mummy or parents. You can check your answer with your parents. You can ask them to check it. Okay. Now next number. So next number I'm going to give you is, now tell me what is this number? This is number 3. So you start writing the number name for 3, children. Start writing 3. I'm writing no. Like that you also should write without seeing. 3. Okay. Next, see here. Next, see the number name. So what is this number? So it is 1. So 1. So what is the number name for 1? Start writing ONE1. Okay. ONE1. Okay. Now next is, see here. What is this number? This is number 5. So see here. Number name for 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, now see here. Number, what is the number? What is the number written here? It is, yes, it is 2. So what is the number name for 2? You have to write the number name for 2. So T-W-O, 2. Okay, so if I give you the number, you should write the number name for it without seeing. Okay, so today we are going to learn a new number name. Today we are going to learn a new number name. So tell me, what is this number? See here, now see here. S small I X S I X 6. Okay, S I X 6. What is this letter? You write in small letters. Okay, children, you write in small letters. 4 lines are there. You write S-I-X 6. Okay, you should write like this. Okay, children, so it is very easy, 6. So while writing, you spell and write S-I-X 6. Okay, S-I-X 6. SIX 6. This is easy. SIX 6, like that you should spell and write. What you should do is you divide your note into 2. Divide your page. So you'll be having one page. Divide the page into 2 and write SIX 6. This side also you write SIX 6. Okay, so you complete one page. This is your homework. Okay, what is this? This is your homework. So write the number name for 6 for one page. In your rough note, you divide the page into 2. You write 6. Spell and write. Okay. So what is the number name for 6? SIX 6. SIX 6. Okay. Okay. Now next what we are going to learn is, next we are going to learn about the, so we have already learned about the smaller number and bigger number. So you know how to find out the smaller number and bigger number. If two numbers are given, see here children, if two numbers are given, you know to find out which is the smaller number and which is the greater number. So now I'm going to give you four numbers. Okay children, see here, I'm going to give you four numbers. See here, inside this box, inside the box, four numbers are there. Okay. See here children, inside this box, how many numbers are there? Four numbers. So see here, tell me what is the first number? 2, 3, 23. What is this number? 2, 3, 23. Okay, next number 4 to 42. Next number is 4 to 42. See next number 1, 8, 18. 3, 5, 15. Okay. So how many numbers are there in this box children? So come on, here is a box and inside the box 4 numbers are there. So see here 2, 3, 23, 4, 2, 42, 1, 8, 18, 3, 5, 35. Okay. Now what you should do is you should write in the ascending order. Ascending order na enaduma? Do you know what is ascending order? Ascending order na from the small number to the big number. சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு பெரிய நம்பர் வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். இதுல இருக்கிற 4 நம்பர்ஸ்ல சின்ன நம்பர் ஏதோ அதை தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கடுத்த ஸ்மால் நம்பர், அதுக்கடுத்த லாஸ்ட் தான் பிக்கர் நம்பர் வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாட் யூ ஷுட் டூ இஸ் 4 numbers are given. இதுல smaller number, ascending orderனா small to big. Small numberல இருந்து to big number. Okay, small to big. So start பண்ணுங்க. So 4 numbers are there. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? How will you find out? So till now we have learned two numbers. Compare two numbers. நம்ம ரெண்டு numbers compare பண்ணிடணும். இதுல 4 numbers இருக்கு. So now what you should do is see the tens place. Tens placeல எது சின்ன number இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So see the tens place. So 4 numbers are thereல இருக்கா? அதுல tens place பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Which is very small number. Tens placeல எந்த இடத்துல small number இருக்கு? சின்ன number. So 4 இருக்கு. இதுல 1 இருக்கு, இதுல 2, இதுல 3, இதுல 4. So which is the small number ma? 1. So 1, 8, 18. முதல்ல என்ன எழுதணும்? 1, 8, 18. Okay children, put a comma. Next வந்து இந்த முடிச்சிட்டோம்ல, so you strike out this. Next 3 numbers are there. இதை எழுதிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த இதுக்கு இதுல tens place கம்பேர் பண்ணணும். tens place பார்க்கும்போது which is the smallest? 2 தான் small, 3, 4 லாம் big. So 2, 3, 23. See children, what is the number? 2, 3, 23. அதை எழுதணும்னு அதை strike out பண்ணிடுங்க. Next number, strike out with the pencil. Next, what is the number? 3, 5, 35, 4, 2, 42. See the tens place. Tens place la parunga. Which is smaller? 3, 5. So write 3, 5, 35. Strike out. And last number, bigger number is the 4 to 42. Okay children. So this is how you have to write the ascending order. Smaller in the bigger number வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். Ascending order na சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு. So 4 numbers நான் மிஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். So you have to write the small ல இருந்து big வரைக்கும் நீங்க எழுதணும். Okay. Now see here. Again I am see ascending order. Ascending order la next I am going to give you another 4 numbers inside the box. See here. See here children. Now see here children. See here. See children. Ascending order na enadhu? Small la irundhu big. Okay. Small la irundhu big. First ascending order nu kuduthitale small la irundhu big number. So in the 4 numbers, how many numbers இருக்குங்க? 4 numbers இருக்கு. So 4 numbers are there. இதுல smallest number என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு? You see the tens place. Tens placeல எல்லாத்துலயும் பாருங்க. 1, இங்க 2, இங்க 3, இங்கேயும் 1 இருக்கு. So ரெண்டு two numbers have 1 in the tens place. Two numbers, ரெண்டு numbers have 1 in the tens place. அப்ப ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல ஒரே நம்பர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், யூ ஷுட் see the ones. ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ பார்க்கணும். ரெண்டுலயும் ஒன்ஸ் டென்ஸ் வந்து ஒரே நம்பரா இருக்கு. ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல பாருங்க, இதுல 3, இதுல 9. ஸோ விச் இஸ் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட்? 3 is the smallest. So ascending orderனா சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பர். ஸோ இந்த 3 ஸ்மாலா இருக்கிறதுனால 1, 3, 13 நம்ம முதல்ல எடுக்கிறோம். ஓகே, now strike out that. Next வந்து 1, 9, 19 ரெண்டு சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால 1, 9, 19. Next two numbers are there. இதுல tens place கண்டுபிடிங்க. 2, 7, 27. Next வந்து 3, 0, 30. Okay children, this is how you have to find out the small number to big number. Okay, so you have to find out and then you have to write the numbers. So in your numbers book, now take your numbers book children. So take your numbers book. Okay, now in the numbers book, see here page number 30. So page number 30, see here is a fish. So inside the fish, 4 numbers are given. 4 numbers இருக்கு. 3, 9, 39, 2, 8, 28, 2, 2, 22, 3, 6, 36. 4 numbers இருக்கு. இதுல small numberல இருந்து ascending orderனா smallல இருந்து big வரைக்கும் நம்ம எழுதணும். So small number எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது மிஸ் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். So here 2 numbers, tens placeல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்குன்னு பாக்குங்க. ரெண்டு இடத்துல 2 இருக்கு. அப்ப ones place பார்க்கணும். So 2, 2, 22 is the first smallest number. Next 2, 8, 28. Next 3, 6. Next 3, 9. So you have to find out like this and you have to write out. Right? Okay. So you have to complete this ascending order. Complete only the ascending order till here. Okay, children? Till here. Till write the numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4 fish வரைக்கும் நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சு you have to write down. This is your homework for today. So do it children. Okay. Okay. Now next is, see here. Two-letter words. I hope you have completed your homework. I hope you have completed your homework. OF of page number 30. Yesterday I gave you homework in page number 30. OF of, ON on, OR or, OX ox. Okay children, so have you completed this homework? Yes, you have to complete this fully and you have to be thorough with the 2-letter words. So now you tell me, what are the 2-letter words we have learned till now? Okay, என்னென்ன வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் இப்போ வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்னென்ன 2-letter words படிச்சிருக்கிறோம்? You should tell me. Okay children, the 2-letter words which we have learned till now. So see here, am, 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 an, an. Next, as, as. What is this? As, as. At, at. Okay, these are the 2-letter words. Am, am, an, as, at, at. Okay, now next one is, see here, be, be. What is this? Be, be. Now next is, see here, what is this? He, he. What is this? He. Now tell me, what is this word? Me, me. Me. Next, what is this letter? What is this? This is letter. What is this letter? W. W-E-V. W-E-V. Okay. W-E-V. Next, see here, what is this letter? I-F, if. I-F, if. Next, I-N, in. I-N, in. Next, I-S, is. I-S, is. Next, I-T, it. Okay, these letters we have already learned. So you have to be thorough with all the letters. Okay. So 2-letter words, you have to be thorough. Now next, see here, what is this letter? O-F, off. O-F, off. Next, what is this? O-N, on. What is this? O-N, on. Now what is this letter? O-R, or. O-R, or. Now what is the last letter? O-X, ox. So how many letters we have learned till now, children? We have learned nearly, how many? 16 letters we have learned. So you have to be thorough with these, all the letters. Okay. So now tell me, A-M, am. A-M, am. A-N, an. A-N, an. A-S, as. A-S, as. A-T, at. A-T, at. So first you should be thorough with the small letters. Small letters terlana neenga idha eludave mudiyadu. So you write and practice your small letters. ABCD small letters thorough theriyum. Okay. Now see here, what is this letter? B-E-B. B-E-B. Now next, see what is this letter? H-E, he. H-E, he. Now see here, what is this letter? M-E, me. M-E, me. Now next letter, W-E-V. W-E-V. So these are the letters. Now see here, what is this letter, children? I. So I-F, if. Small letter I. These are all the small letter I. These are all the small letter E. I-F, if. I-F, if. I-N, in. Small letter N. I-N, in. Now see here, small letter. I-S, is. I-S, is. Next, see this. What is this? I. Again I. I-T, it. Small t. I-T, it. Okay. Now see here, what is this letter? O. O-F, off. What is this? O-F, off. Now, O-N, on. O-N, on. Next, O-R, or. O-R, or. Next, O-X, ox. O-X, ox. So you should be thorough with these letters, 2-letter words, and you have to learn the neighborhood places, mall. Okay. Next, you do the ascending order. Ascending order sums you do, and next you complete the number name for 6. Okay, children. So you have to complete these all the homeworks for tomorrow's homework. And what you should do is, dear parents, you take a photocopy of the homework and send it to the WhatsApp number, WhatsApp group. Okay. So you're not sending the homeworks and we don't know how far the children have understood. எவ்வளோ தூரம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு எங்களுக்கு தெரியல. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா, நீங்கள் டெய்லி ஹோம்ஒர்க்கை நீங்கள் ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு அனுப்புங்க. So I think that you will follow this, and from today onwards you write your homework and take a photocopy of it and send it to the WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Okay, parents? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow.